So how long is my personal injury case going to take? That's a common question that we get, and it just really depends, right? So normally in the beginning, there's a treatment phase, and that could be 1 month to several years. We still have clients that are still treating while we're in a lawsuit. You know, they're still injured and it hasn't stopped just because we filed a lawsuit, so they're treating for several years. So during this time period, you're just treating, and we're doing a lot of different things behind the scenes. We're opening claims with the auto insurance companies. We are trying to get your vehicle fixed and get your rental or getting your car totaled out. We're ordering police reports. We're trying to get liability accepted. We're trying to make it so that the defendant says, yeah, I caused it, you know. We're trying to get your initial bills and records, right? We're also trying to put your health insurance on notice that you were involved in some kind of crash or that you were injured somewhere, and you know, so that they can start sorting out what bills and records are attributable to that incident. After we get your police report, we're trying to determine what the policy limits are. The insurance company is not going to come out and tell us what the policy limits are, so we're trying to figure out that information. You know, and then after that, let's say that you're kind of sort of done treating, almost done treating, or you're done treating. During this time frame, we're probably trying to get your medical records and bills, and that may take up to 2 months, you know, to get your medical records and bills. 1 month to 2 months, depending on how long it takes the medical providers to give us those medical records and bills. And then hopefully we don't have to start over. If you forgot someone, you know, let's say you're telling us A, B, and C places, but you forgot about D, then it kind of slows us down, right? After that, after we have all your medical records and bills, we're going to start drafting that demand letter. And that takes about a month to do. Okay, we have to review it, revise it, make sure that we've got everything in there. And then we have to go send this to the adjuster, and the adjuster has 30 days to review it. You know, that would be reasonable if we gave them 500 pages. We can't tell them, hey, by the way, turn around and give me an offer. No, we have to give them 30 days to review everything. And during this time frame, they're probably going to, they may give us an offer, and then we'll tell you what this offer is, and we may counter. They may say, we're not ready to present an offer unless we get more information. We want to know, where's this other medical bill that's missing? Or we want to know if your client's had any medical treatment in the last 5 years. Now we have to go get some medical records and bills from the last 5 years, right? So during that time, we're either negotiating or supplementing. And that can take anywhere from 1 to 3 months or so, you know. And then there's 2 different avenues that we can take. If we come up with a good settlement offer and we're done negotiating with the adjuster and everything, we are going to settle out your case. And during this time frame, we're verifying that all the bills and records all match up, that, you know, any payments that have been made, they are taken out and all that stuff. We're trying to get your health insurance lien, make sure that everything's on there is related. Maybe your flu shot's not related, we need to remove it, or we need to add on an ambulance bill or something. So we're arguing with your health insurance company at that time. Or, you know, after all that is done, we're probably trying to get the releases, and then we need to get the releases signed. And then we send it to the adjuster. They give us your check. We need to make sure that the check clears, and then we can pay you. So this settlement process may take anywhere from 1 month to 3 months, you know. Or the other road that we could take, if we don't like the offer, is that we could litigate the case, right? We could file a lawsuit. Sometimes the insurance company does not give us fair value for the case, and you don't like the settlement, and you want us to proceed to litigation. That can take anywhere from 6 months to several years, right? It depends on which court we're in and all that stuff. But that's basically how long your case is going to take, you know. So it really just depends on how injured you are, how long you're treating, all those different factors before we can make a determination on that. If you are, injured in a personal injury claim or anything, and you need an attorney, please feel free to give us a call at Van Law Firm. Our number here is 702-529-1011 or 360-200-0000. Thank you.